Hello there! Would you like to learn something tasty today? No problem. Today I will teach you some Thanksgiving meal vocabulary. Here is the list of words you're going to learn today. Thanksgiving dinner: turkey, stuffing, gravy, cranberries, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, yam, corn, green beans, pumpkin pie, apple pie, pudding, and wine. Now let's learn the words. Look, listen, and repeat. Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving dinner. Turkey. Turkey. Stuffing. Stuffing. Gravy. Gravy. Cranberries. Cranberries. Cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes. Yam. Yam. Corn. Corn. Green beans. Green beans. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Apple pie. Apple pie. Pudding. Pudding. Wine. Wine. Let's do some exercises to memorize the words faster. Exercise number 1. Look at the picture and choose the correct variant. For example, pumpkin pie, cranberries, green beans. Cranberries. Turkey, cranberry sauce, wine. Turkey. Stuffing, cranberry sauce, pumpkin pie. Stuffing. Corn, yam, Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving dinner. Gravy, turkey, yam. Yam. Gravy, green beans, corn. Corn. Cranberry sauce, corn, apple pie. Apple pie. Turkey, cranberries, green beans. Green beans. Pudding, cranberry sauce, stuffing. Cranberry sauce. Gravy, cranberry sauce, Thanksgiving dinner. Gravy. Wine, stuffing, gravy. Wine. Apple pie, stuffing, pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Gravy, pudding, yam. Pudding. Pudding, mashed potatoes, stuffing. Mashed potatoes. Exercise number 2. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. A. Stuffing for the turkey. A stuffing for the turkey. You need cranberries for the sauce. You need cranberries for the sauce. I invite my friends to Thanksgiving dinner. I invite my friends to Thanksgiving dinner. This wine is perfect for Thanksgiving. This wine is perfect for Thanksgiving. This cranberry sauce looks great. This cranberry sauce looks great. I love mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. Do you eat candied yams? Do you eat candied yams? Would you like some grilled corn? Would you like some grilled corn? Raspberry pudding is my favorite. Raspberry pudding is my favorite. Pumpkin pie is very healthy. Pumpkin pie is very healthy. Do you know how to cook a turkey? Do you know how to cook a turkey? I'd like extra gravy on my mashed potatoes. I'd like extra gravy on my mashed potatoes. Don't forget about green beans. Don't forget about green beans. We love apple pie. We love apple pie. Great job. Let's repeat once again all the words you have learned today. Thanksgiving dinner. Turkey. Stuffing. Gravy. Cranberries. Cranberry sauce. Mashed potatoes. Yam. Corn. Green beans. Pumpkin pie. apple pie, pudding, wine. Your homework for today will be to write in the comments what your favorite thing is among today's list of words and why you like it. For example, I like apple pie because it's not very sweet and it's a little bit sour. Thank you very much for being with me today. If you liked the lesson, please give me the thumbs up. I appreciate it very much. Subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and come back from time to time to refresh your memory. In the next video lesson, you will learn some vocabulary related to Thanksgiving history. See you very soon. Take care.